Hi, are you new too? You're excited. My uncle invited me here.
Welcome one, welcome all. We are bringing out the man of the hour. He's all about the Benjamins. He's the CEO of Pfister Industries, and he owns the best strip club in the area, The Vault. It is Rock Pfister.
Hello, beautiful friends! How are you, fantastic audience? It's so good to see you this evening, my friends. I want to thank you for receiving the call I sent out to you earlier this week. I am looking for new financial advisors to take over at Pfister Industries. Now you, my sweet niece, my favorite niece, I just want to thank you, honey. It's so good to have someone in the family joining the family business. I believe in you. I believe in all of you. Now, my friends, I started Pfister Industries 55 years ago. I started with Pfister Family Films that made such features like Mom, That's Not Where Your Fingers Go, and also Daddy, Daddy, Where Are You? Classic family feature films. From there, we got into refuse management, we got into aquatics, and from there we got into imports and exports, and we became the financial conglomerate you know and love today. Now, my goal for you is for you to achieve the same level of success that I found in my life. My goal for you is for you to help your clients reach their financial peaks. Now, to do so, I've put together some financial advisors that are going to show you the way to advise other people on their finances. Would you like to meet those people? Fantastic, my friends. Let me introduce to you my first financial advisor. He is an adventurous man indeed. His adventures in the Appalachian Mountains are legend in those regions. He is Mr. Kentucky Johnson.
Kentucky Johnson, explorer, adventure capitalist, and there's money to be made out there. We'll find it.
Absolutely a charming man indeed. Now, our next advisor is certainly a hawk of a woman. She, like the birds of prey, flies high in the sky and swoops in to seal the deal. She is Ms. Michaela Hawke.
I don't know shit about fuck, except for karate and how much you can fit up in this schnoz.
Absolutely, absolutely a charming woman indeed. Now, our next advisor is a man's man. He will show you the masculine way to seal the deal. He's not soft throat, he is Cutthroat Calloway.
Let me hear it. Do you like money? Do you like power? Do you like forgetting what your children look like?
Sure.
Absolutely, impressive man. Now, our final financial advisor, certainly not our least. He is our menace from the East. He single-handedly took down the USSR with his capitalistic ideals. He is Mr. Ivan Brogdon.
You know, number one principle of business is honesty. And his principle I so honestly believe in that my name in American is mean honesty. And I be honest with you now. Is authentic Adidas.
Yes, it is fantastic indeed. Now, my friends, these financial advisors are going to show you everything you need to know about financial advising. Advisors, are you ready to advise?
Yes, sir!
Trainees, are you ready to be trained?
Yes.
Yeah!
Then, my friends, get ready, get set. Let's make some fucking money, huh?